Hello guys, welcome to another tips and tricks here on Din Life Tech. If this is the first time, please consider subscribing. In today's video, we'll see how to get our Facebook page links. So the next thing we're going to do is head on to Facebook and tap on your profile. Okay, so you see we are currently in our Facebook profile, in our Facebook account. So I'm just going to head back, and at the top right you will see this menu. You also see your profile on it, so just tap it, and when you are in here you see your different pages on Facebook. So the next thing we're going to click is this drop down menu right here. So you click on it and you see your different pages. Okay, you click on it, you see your different pages. So you just choose any of the pages, the page that you want to get the link. So I'm just going to take one of these. It's going to switch you to your Facebook page, and the next thing we're going to tap is, you see, just tap on your profile again. Once you tap on your profile, it will take you inside your Facebook page. Okay, so the next thing we're going to click is, you see these three dots at the left right here. You click on it, and when you click on it, you just scroll right down at the bottom. You will see your Facebook page link here. It says, so this is a Facebook page link, so you can just tap to copy it. You can just tap to copy it, and let's just paste it on a browser. Let's just paste it on a browser. So let's paste it on a browser and hit go. So as you can see, it's just going to take you directly into your Facebook page. So yeah guys, that is how to get your Facebook page link. So if you found value in this content, please consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new to Din Life Tech, and until then, see you in the next one. If you have any comments as well, just leave it down in the comment section. If you have any video in mind or any problem you want me to make a video about, just leave it down in the comment section, and surely my next video will be on that. So if you also want to reach out to me, my different account details are in the description of this video. Just click on it, and you can also send me a direct message on WhatsApp. So until then, see you in the next one.